Hello, this is Melissa again. We've been talking about different ways that you can save and different ways to earn some money in the province of BC. Now let's put it all together. We've spoken about income sources, housing, medical expenses, and now let's look at all of the ways these fit into your monthly budget. So in general, these are the costs that you might have each month. Housing, you'd look at the average housing price in BC, the average cost of food each month, clothing, having a phone. Just those basic things come to $1,300 a month, or almost $1,400 a month. What about other things? Medication, equipment, support workers, transportation. So we've talked about ways to reduce costs of those. So let's look at your actual income. Your total received each month is $906 through Persons with Disabilities benefits. As you retire and receive old age security, that income might be a little bit higher, which is good. It's important to know all the potential sources of income, which we spoke about, which could be CPP disability or long-term disability plans or WorkSafe BC. Always consider how your injury or disability occurred and what is the best way to have as many of your expenses covered as possible. And we also talked about how earning a little bit of an income through employment doesn't reduce your benefits and can help you budget a little bit better. So how do we maximize? How do we maximize what's coming in? So we'll look at this table a little bit after, which we looked at in the first slide, was the little things, just little bits like a cheaper bus pass. What can you do to save? There is also the nutrition and vitamin supplements. Those are something you do have to buy food. Many people do buy vitamins. How do we get some money for that? Quitting smoking is another way to dramatically improve your budget. Look at how much your cigarettes are costing each month. It is free to quit smoking. The government of BC will provide you with the tools you need. Talked about working part-time. Earn up to $800 a month. If you're earning $900, an extra $800 a month is would nearly double your income. Apply for all the supplements for your families. If you have a child or a spouse, apply for the supplements. ICBC offers a discount for transportation. So here's the website that is Spinal Cord Injury BC database that provides information on all of the provincial funding programs. So you can check out our website to list everything, to see all of our list. But here is the table, which we've looked at before, of all of the different ways that you can save, all the different things that you can apply for to help you just live a little bit easier. So the Christmas supplement, school supplement, moving benefit, crisis assistant, transportation costs, all of those things are ways that you could save money. So let's look at our database and go into our funding sources. Again, just to show you all of the different options that there are. See, we have them all listed out for you. So the additional assistance, scholarships, MSP premiums. You can even reduce, if you like to fish, you can have a fishing license reduced. So go through these. Take the time to learn a little bit more about what's available to you. Now, we've talked a little bit about savings, putting money aside. You can have some assets. Even if you're receiving Persons with Disabilities benefits, you can have a car without any deductions up to $10,000. If it is higher than that, they do expect you to have a lower cost vehicle, though you can make a case for a wheelchair vehicle because we are aware that that is more expensive and more valuable. You can have savings of up to $2,000. Though that actually may be increased in the near future. I think it has been increased up to $5,000. You are able to have a house. You are able to have an RDSP, the Registered Disability Savings Plan. You are able to have a trust of up to $200,000 and take out up to $8,000 a year in disbursements. So that $8,000 that you can withdraw can help pay for little things. You can also use that to contribute to an RD. You can also use that towards supplies and save the other money for RDSPs. So how do you put it aside? Again, we've talked about little ways to save. $1 here and $1 there can help you have a little bit more for when you get older. The government contributes money for your RDSPs. They will match up to $3,500 a year. There's also a $150 endowment available for you. All of these help you prepare to reach age 65. So once you do get older and you are in your retirement years, you do have a little bit more financial stability. So here is some information about the RDSP, the Registered Disability Saving Plan. So you can contact Human Resources and Skills Development Canada for more information on it. So you can check out our database and search RDSP, and all this information will be there. So let's look at this. If you're receiving PWD, you can receive $906.42. You can earn $800 a month, apply for the nutrition supplement, apply for the vitamin supplement. That brings your total income up to $1,900. Remember, at the beginning, we were looking at you need $1,370 for your cost of living. But unfortunately, it costs more than that. Unfortunately, you don't receive that amount. You only receive $906 a month. But if you're able to apply for these, this makes your living a lot better. Again, we spoke about the reduced bus passes. You can also apply for an exemption on the toll bridges to go in and out of Vancouver. You can reduce cost of medical equipment and medications and other health care, which we did, again, we spoke about in our health section of the presentation. So for tax tips, RDSP information, financial planning, check out our other YouTube videos, which have been done by various presenters. You can contact somebody in the peer program, or check out our database, or contact InfoLine at 1-800-689-2477. We can help you make your income much more livable. I hope you enjoyed our series on financial planning and financial information. Please contact us with any questions you have about any of the information that's been provided, or if you'd like to talk about anything else in more depth. We look forward to hearing from you.